Hello, today we're going to show you how to break down a whole steamed snow crab. And these are also referred to as peleos. And the snow crab is just a real nice delicacy. And if you're in an area that can get them whole, they're a lot of fun to decorate plates with and things of that nature and make centerpieces out of. So we've got a nice specimen here. This being the underside, you get a little bit better look at what's usually served in restaurants. And what usually happens is you're just given sections, and they're broken off here and here on each side of the under flap there. These legs can be broken, with your hands if you'd like. I like to use, I've got some lobster shears here. They've got stubby blades, and they're not real broad, but they're firm enough that you can use them to get in and around these guys, and they're sturdy enough to get through that shell quite efficiently. So what I usually try to do first is come around each side of the flap on the underneath side from the back end here and cut apart without going too deeply, similar to the cuts that you see in grocery stores and restaurants. Okay, so we've made two cuts going this direction. And we'll separate this with our fingers. Take off the under flap there. And I'm just going to kind of gently break those just a little bit to get them separated. As you can see, they're coming apart pretty easy. And that's always a good sign that the crab itself has been steamed fully and chilled down as quickly as it needs to be when this separates real nice and easy like that. So there's one section there. There we go. So there's the right and the left half, and then here's the underside as well. Now, along with the head and the body, we could actually boil this again inside a seafood stock with shrimp shells and things of that nature, and it adds a really nice rich flavor to the seafood stock. So that's another idea for you. We'll come back and show you how to get the meat out of these legs.